Alright, so I think I have an addiction. I have my daily driver for college. So I have 14 crews. I have my project truck, which is my 84 K20 on 6 inches of lift with BF Goodrich Baja TA 37, 12.5, 16.5s from Trailworthy Fab. The lift kit's from Rough Country. Got some big old mirrors on it. Topper, don't worry about the topper. And the engine I talked about putting in, the big block. Well, the battery's dead. So I'm jumping it. And this here is a cold start. Well, let's see how she does. Well, we got voltage. Seatbelt light, hate that thing. Gauge is down there. Eee, I don't like that. And nothing all of a sudden. And just had this thing turning over quick. Awesome, it's on the starter. Oh, shit. Pull the freaking negative off. Alright, now let's try it. This thing is not happy with me after 3 weeks of not starting it. There she goes. Give me oil pressure. There. Take the choke off so my neighbor don't kill me. So, it's a big block out of a 79, 1 ton, running 2 3/4 inch Hedman headers to 3-inch ball flange connector to 3-inch all the way back. Flowmaster Super 10s. I love this rig. And let's see if I disconnect this battery and it stalls. If it does, the video's done. Hey, it's still running. Woo! Alright, I know my alternator's good. Battery's shot. Stone cold. I got some chrome tips for it, just haven't put it on. Well, they're on my dash lights. Says I got a full tank of fuel still. Well, while this thing warms up, let me show you the 6.5. So this is my 1992 K2500. It's got 9 inches of lift total, 6-inch suspension, 3-inch body, and 35. They're like 325 something or other 20s. They're big. They're pretty wide for what they are, and they're bald. Truck's for sale too. I'm in Michigan. I'm in Southwest Michigan, so if you're interested, hit me up in the comments below. This I did have started because I was trying to jumpstart my white truck with it, but it just wouldn't happen. And she fires up good. Comes up with oil pressure. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, there's oil pressure there. It's got a stack in it. It's a really crappy stack. Give you a little rev of it. And that's that. So the white truck is getting a restoration for the most part. As soon as I got the money for it, it's getting new body, new paint, and I am really tempted. I love this big block, but I can't afford it. I think I'm gonna pull the big block out and save it for a rainy day or something, a different vehicle. Ha, the Cruze, that'd be hilarious. GM wouldn't warranty it no more. Oh, an exhaust leak, yay. But it's gonna get a 5-speed NV 4500, and like my first video, I want to put an LS in it now because I want the drivability of an LS. Big block drives like a dream. I just can't keep fuel in the tank. I'm gonna give her one good rev for you guys, and then she's shutting off. All right, and that's it.